Good evening. I am Jessican, the intern at Lexis and Company, and today I will be speaking on a topic which is nowadays very political. It is an ongoing issues between every political parties. It is about Central Vista project. So it is one of the major features of Narendra Modi's government that has been in opposition. The government has faced almost every and each of the decision which has been taken by Modi government, not just issues like Article 370 and triple talaq. The opposition parties and left liberal ecosystem have also opposed the important infrastructure projects like highway projects, bullet trains, railway network enhancement, seaport construction, etc. One of the major such projects is the Central Vista project, which is the construction of the new Parliament building in Delhi, with PM Modi scheduled to conduct the Bhumi Pujan as we all witnessed on 10th of December. The usual suspects have started questioning the project. According to them, there is no need for new Parliament building as the existing one is sufficient for them. While some of them are not questioning the need for the project, all of them are asking why now. Because this is a time of the spurt of corona, which is being witnessed by each and every Indian. So according to them, including to the Congress party, when the economy is facing hardship and the country is facing a pandemic, the money earmarked for the Central Vista project should be diverted to social welfare, not just left liberal and opposition. Many common people are also asking what is the need for a new parliament building when we already have one established. They are asking this because they genuinely don't know the reason. The reason is an attempt to answer those questions, which is mainly based on presentation of Bimal Patel, the chief architect of the project. The Central Vista project involves the redevelopment of the areas known as Central Vista Avenue, the area between the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the India Gate, where all the important buildings related to the Union government are located. The project has two main parts: a new parliament building and a new secretariat complex to bring all the central government ministries in one place. The third part involves in the development of Rajghat and the area all around it, surrounded with it, which is available to the general public, including the development of public amenities. So the project involves demolition of non-heritage buildings in the area and construction of new buildings in place of them. The Central Vista was designed by Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker to house of capital of British India, the top of the Resina Hills and the adjacent hills to the area were flattened to create such buildings. The original capital included the Viceroy's House, which is Rashtrapati Bhavan, the two Secretariat building, North Block and the South Block, the Council House, which is also called as Parliament House, the National Archives building further down the Rajpath was also built by the Lutyens, known as the Empirical Record Department of that time. The the Rajpath was also known as the King's Way, and the Janpath was also known as Queen's Way. So the entire area on both sides of the Rajghat was an open area covered by the gardens at that time. It did not have a various office buildings as we see now. According to the original plan by Lutyens and Baker, several other buildings were built on the area for both administrative as well as cultural purposes. But various reasons like budget constraint, the independence movement, war, etc., put a halt on the project in 1931, which was never resumed. In 1947, the government of India occupied the structures in the Central Vista for the capital. As the original British plan was complete, the Indian government later added several buildings for several industries and departments. The central government had also allocated plots in the areas to various ministries as well. While the British original capital built by the British was sufficient for that time, it did not build any for a country. It did not build with any purpose for the country or for crores of people. After centuries, the needs have arisen to add a new strategies, the new structures, as the existing one are no longer sufficient for India's growing needs. To address these needs, the Central Vista project helps and has been envisioned now. Now let us examine each and every components of the project in details. Why is there a need of parliament? Why it is the need of the hour? The most significant aspect of the project is the construction of a new parliament building. There are several reasons for needing a new parliament building. So the most important one is the impending expansion of the size of the parliament. Due to the increased population, which have almost quadrupled since independence, there is a need to increase the number of Lok Sabha constituencies through delimitation. According to the original plan, although the number of Lok Sabha members remain constant, the number of MPs in state were changed to 10 years to reflect the change in population. This change was also to ensure that every MP will represent an equal number of citizens. But when the government of India adopted a policy of population control in 1970s, it posed a big problem. If the number of seats was also to be reallocated to states according to population, states that failed to control population growth would also be rewarded with more seats, while states that successful in population control program would be punished with lesser seats. This would have also led to a north-south conflict, as southern states were more successful in controlling the population compared to northern states. So due to this anomaly, the number of Lok Sabha constituencies was frozen from 1976 up to 2001. When this 25-year term was over, it was again pushed back by 25 years, and now the next delimitation exercise is scheduled for 2026, which is fast approaching with a 50-year long freeze on the number of MPs. It is expected that it is not going to be postponed for even once. The number of states and the Indian population has increased drastically since 1976. Now there is an urgent need to increase the number of Lok Sabha members so that each MP represents a manageable size of the population. It is speculated that the size of Lok Sabha will be increased to more than 800 from the current strength, which is 543. But there is a big problem before the Lok Sabha strengthen the increase. The size of Lok Sabha hall in Parliament House, there are only 552 seats in the current house, with no scope of adding any new seat. In fact, the wall of the back of the Lok Sabha was already taken down, and the corridor next to the Lok Sabha hall created more space for additional chair of MP. Therefore, the strength of the Lok Sabha can't be increased without creating the space of all the MPs. So, the sitting arrangement in all the types of parliament are of bench type, with no longer bench as one move towards the back of the house. This means when members enter or exit their places, they have to pass over the similar bench sitting in the same bench. So there are various difficulties. Several newly built assembly houses in the country have sitting arrangement with 2 members per seat, unlike India. The infrastructure of the parliament has also antiqued with time, as they are added at various times and when required. It has microphone that can't be switched off. A very old electronic voting system is there, etc., etc. So along with that, the area around Delhi has also become more earthquake prone in recent time. But as the original drawings of the building are not available now, it is not possible to certify that the building as earthquake is proof now. So how the new parliament building will look like? For the new parliament building, a new triangular plot would be established, and you can see it on Google too. So at last, I would just like to say that change is very difficult in this country, but we can try to inculcate the changes for the betterment of people and also for the MPs which represent us in the parliament. Thank you.